Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making soft and creamy chocolate ice cream at home. Rich, smooth and absolutely delicious, this easy no machine recipe is perfect for chocolate lovers. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons corn flour, half cup milk, and 1/4 cup condensed milk. Cocoa powder gives deep chocolate flavor without melting chocolate. Mix well until smooth. Chocolate ice cream is one of the most popular desserts worldwide. Now pour the mixture into a pan. Cook on medium heat. Stirring continuously. Always stir continuously while cooking the mixture. Cook until the mixture thickens. Now pour into a bowl. Cover with foil. Let it cool completely, then keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. In another bowl, take 1 cup whipping cream. Beat until soft peaks form. Whipping cream creates a smooth and airy texture. Now add the cool chocolate mixture. Mix well until fully combined. Cool the mixture completely before mixing with ice cream. Pour into a mold. Homemade ice cream requires no ice cream machine. Add chocolate chips on top. Now keep in freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Now scoop and serve. Homemade ice cream avoids artificial preservatives. You can control sugar levels easily. Milk and cream provide calcium and energy. Enjoy in moderation for a balanced treat. Your soft and creamy chocolate ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy every scoop. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.